We love the people. The therapists are amazing. Kelly's amazing. Just the whole staff, it's a very happy place, and they're so good with the kids. As a mom, the hardest thing to do is to put your child in someone else's hands. To feel comfortable with the people that you're doing that with is huge.
He does enjoy relationships with his therapists. He'll come by and say, hey, am I going to see so-and-so today? And he has always these positive reactions.
I can't imagine Sam going to anywhere but CTAC because he's been coming here since he was 3, and he's a member of the family here. He has had long relationships with therapists for many, many years. They know him, they get him, and as a parent, I feel so confident that they have his best interests at heart.